Hello everyone, we are given this exponential equation that leads to simultaneous linear equation. So we are asked to solve for x and y. Let's get started. So we have that 2 raised to the power of x plus 3 raised to the power of y is equal to 9. And also we have that 2 raised to the power of x plus 2 minus 3 raised to the power of y plus 1 is equal to 8. So we can call here equation 1 and call here equation 2. So from equation 2, we have that 2 raised to the power of x times 2 raised to the power of 2 minus 3 raised to the power of y times 3 is equal to 8. So record that from the multiplication law of indices that a to the power of m plus n can be expressed as a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So this law was applied at this point. Now at this point, we have 2 to the power of 2. So this becomes 4 multiplied by 2 to the power of x minus. So at this point, we have 3. So this becomes 3 multiplied by 3 to the power of y equal to 8. So the equation 2 has been simplified. So therefore, this now becomes 2 to the power of x for equation 1 plus 3y equal to 9. These are equation 1. And also 4 multiplied by 2 to the power of x minus 3 multiplied by 3 to the power of y equal to 8. This is equation 2. Now, looking at equation 1 and 2, we can make a simple substitution because we have 2 to the power of x here and then 2 to the power of x here. Also, we have 3 to the power of y and 3 to the power of y. So at this point, we can say that let p be equal to 2 to the power of x and also q be equal to 3 to the power of y. So at this point, we have p plus q is equal to 9. And then we have 4 multiplied by p minus 3 multiplied by q is equal to 8. So this is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. Now at this point, we can solve equation 1 and 2 simultaneously. So the first thing we do here is that we can make p or q the subject of the formula in equation 1 and substitute into equation 2. So we have that from 1, p is equal to 9 minus q. So at this point, we will substitute this expression into equation 2. So we have that this is 4, open bracket, p is 9 minus q, 9 minus q minus 3q is equal to 8. So 9 times 4 is 36. So we have 36 minus 4 times minus q is minus 4q minus 3q is equal to 8. So at this point, minus 4q minus 3q is minus 7q. So we have 36 minus 7q is equal to 8. Now at this point, to make q subject, we can move 36 the right hand side. So this becomes minus 7q equal to 8 minus 36. So minus 7q will be equal to minus 28. So therefore, q becomes minus 28 divided by minus 7. So minus cancel out minus, q is equal to 4. So at this point, we have obtained q to be equal to 4. We can now substitute the value of q equal to 4 into equation 1. So from equation 1, we have that p plus q is equal to 9. And our q is giving us 4. So we have this to be p plus 4 is equal to 9. So p is equal to 9 minus 4, which is equal to 5. So therefore, p is equal to 5. So therefore, we have that p is equal to 5 and q is equal to 4. But recall that we made a simple substitution that let p be equal to 2 to the power of x and let q be equal to 3 to the power of y. So from here, we have it that but p is equal to 2 to the power of x and q is equal to 3 to the power of y. Now at this point, p is 5, so we have 5 is equal to 2 to the power of x and q is 4, so we have 4 is equal to 3 to the power of y. Now, to obtain the value of x and y, we have to take the log of both sides in both equations. So here becomes log 5 to base 10 is equal to log 2 to the power of x to base 10. Also, here becomes log 4 to base 10 equal to log 3 to the power of y to base 10. Now, from the index log logarithm, we have that log m to the power of p to base a. This can be expressed as p multiplied by log m to base a. So we apply this law here and also apply this law here. So we have now to be log 5 in base 10 is equal to x multiplied by log 2 to base 10. And also we have log 4 to base 10, which is now equal to y multiplied by log 3 to base 10. So let us make x a subject. At this point, we have that this is x equal to log 5 to base 10 divided by log 2 to base 10. And also, if we make y subject, we have y is equal to log 4 to base 10 divided by log 3 to base 10.